Hello friends, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am explaining chapter 6 of second semester of English subject of class first. The name of the chapter is Gina's first train ride. It is a story about a girl named Gina who is traveling from Kolkata to Kharagpur first time by train for a wedding of her aunt. She is saying, "Hi, I am Gina. I love to play with toys, cars, machines, and trucks." Her favorite hobby is playing with toy trains. She has traveled through aeroplanes many times, but she has not traveled by train even once. But it will be get to do so because her aunt Meera is getting married and she is going to be travel from Kolkata to Kharagpur by train with her sister Rita Didi. Her mother and father means parents will come through flight because they have some urgent work. She is very excited for the train journey from Kolkata to Kharagpur. She boarded Howrah Puri Mail with Rita Didi late at night 12 September. Rita Didi had got upper berth and Gina has got lower berth in the compartment. Their compartment was air conditioned. There are 6 berths in their cabin. The train was full with the passengers and chugged out with the horn. It was night time and it was quite late when they are traveling in the train. Rita Didi told Gina that get ready for the bed because it was quite late in the night. Gina is not feeling sleepy, so she want to start with her toy train set. After they got into their berth, Rita Didi chatted on her mobile and hardly looked at Gina. On the next berth of Gina, there was a huge uncle. And having thick white mustache and had angry face. How did their face? Angry face. So Gina met an uncle that have angry face. Gina didn't like him at all because he has very angry face. She told to her sister Rita Di, "Please let me sleep on your upper berth and I will be careful and you will come down on my lower berth." At last, Rita Didi came on the Gina's berth and Gina went to the Rita Didi berth. She happily climbed up and jumped on the berth like gymnast. She saw the fans and lights on the cabin roof that were very close to Gina. She stuck out her arm to check the distance. And at that time, someone shouted, "Watch out!" He was none other. He was the angry uncle. He was saying to her, "Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself." Angry uncle seen earlier. Gina glared at the uncle. Means Gina looked at uncle and said softly, "I will be careful. And train is going to be run." Didi joined him and said, "Gina, it's time to go to sleep and get the lights off and good night. Go to sleep." Uncle made snoring sound which actually sounded funny. In short, in the conclusion, Gina was very angry with the uncle. He had no fun at all, so she didn't like that uncle. Okay? It was really dark now. Only the blue light of the train was on. She couldn't see anything. The whole coach was slowly growing silent, but people were snoring because people were sleeping on that time. It was quite dark and quite night. But Gina couldn't sleep. But Gina could not sleep. Suddenly there was a big jerk and train stopped. Gina sat up. Gina wanted to look what happened outside on the station. Gina threw off the sheets quietly and carefully went down the ladder. She came down the ladder and she went out of her cabin and walked towards the main doors. Her cabin was in the middle, so she had to walk a little. When she reached at the door, she looked outside. The station was noisy and had many shops and restaurants. There was a very colorful toy shop also on the station. There are many people running here and there on the platform. It was very scary. Suddenly, a strong hand gripped, means a strong hand catched the Gina hand and took her back to the cabin. It was Rita Didi, her sister Rita Didi. She was looking very worried and she said, "Thank God, I found you. I found you." I looked up and saw that it was uncle who had brought me back. It was the angry uncle who brought her back. In fact, uncle was actually a good person. He saved her from getting lost. At last she said to the uncle, "Thank you uncle, I am sorry. It was my fault. Mom and dad also always say to me that I am wrong. I should be careful in the future, that I should not be lost." In any case, Gina's first ride is very exciting and Gina enjoyed her first ride very much. Thank you everyone. Read the chapter properly so that you can understand it very properly. Thank you.